Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making an elegant crystal Christmas tree, and this is going to be a lighted Christmas tree. So what you're going to need some of these Angels Tears pendants from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. You'll also need some silver rhinestone bulk embellishment packet. This is from Totally Dazzled. Totally Dazzled is an online retailer of event decor, wedding decor, and so much more. I will have Totally Dazzled's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out as well. Now from Dollar Tree, you're going to need one of these clear bud vases. You're going to need a glass candle holder plate. I also have some of these little silver ornaments, which I may or may not be using, but we'll see as we go along. Now, to light the Christmas tree, I'm going to be using fairy lights, and this is a multi-color pack, but you can find these with just mini white lights, and I will link in the description box below for where you can find the multi-white lights if you'd like to find them without the color. I picked these up, this pack here, I picked this up I think at Walgreens, but I know that Efavormart has the clear white ones, and so I can link them in the description box below for you. Now, I'm going to be using hot glue on the project, but if you'd like to make any of the components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete this beautiful project. If I decide to use any additional items, I will list those in the description box below for you as well. Let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't this lighted crystal Christmas tree turn out absolutely beautifully? This was so easy to make and really budget friendly. You could light this crystal Christmas tree with any color lights you wish. You could do clear, you could do red, you could do multicolor as I've done here. Whatever your favorite Christmas colors would be. Well, let's go ahead and get started decorating with it. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. I'd like to thank each of you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.